Are you looking for the pots and pans set? In this video we will show the 5 best pots and pans set. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. First of all, CAROTE 21 PCS Pots and Pans Set. Non-stick cookware sets, white granite induction cookware non-stick cooking set with frying pans and saucepans. Material, white granite, aluminum, glass, wood, silicone, stainless steel. Color, cream white. Brand, CAROTE. Size, 21 piece. Handle material, Bakelite. Reinforced die-cast aluminum construction ensures long-term durability and reliability while maintaining a lightweight design, bringing convenience to your cooking experience. A top-level, harder non-stick granite material with 10x Ultra non-stick performance ensures your daily cooking always safer and healthier. Recommend to hand wash the cookware as it is effortless to clean. Wipe it with a paper towel or rinse it with water. Heats up quickly and evenly with an extended bottom design on all cooktops, including induction. CAROTE provides 12 months warranty from the date of purchase. Please don't hesitate to reach out if any quality problem. You will be guaranteed to get satisfying solution. Set includes 9.5 foot fry pan, 11 fry pan, 2 QT saucepan with lid, 3 QT saucepan with lid, 4 QT stock pot with lid, 6.5 QT stock pot with lid, 4.5 QT saute pan with lid, ladle, slotted spatula, tongs, steamer, for asterisk pan protectors. Number 2. CAROTE 17 PCS Pots and Pans Set Non-Stick. Cookware set detachable handle, non-stick induction kitchen sets non-stick with removable handle, RV cookware, oven safe. Material, aluminum, Bakelite, stainless steel. Color, jet black. Brand, CAROTE. Size, 17 piece. Handle material, silicone. Optimal storage and easy stacking with the handles off saves up to 70% more space of CAROTE detachable handle pots and pan set. Clean up with zero elbow grease thanks to the non-stick ability. As both a cookware set and a dinnerware set, one-time cleaning for all. Removable handle for transition from all kinds of stoves to the oven, to the grill, to the fridge, and onto the table in a click. Upgraded version is secure when attached during cooking. Balanced convenience-rich features, rapid and even heat transfer, and non-stick performance is the same as other CAROTE cookware sets. CAROTE provides 12 months warranty from the date of purchase. Please don't hesitate to reach out if any quality problem. You will be guaranteed to get satisfying solution. Number 3. CAROTE 17 PCS Pots and Pans Set. Non-stick cookware set detachable handle, induction kitchen cookware sets non-stick with removable handle, RV cookware set, oven safe. Material, granite. Color, cream white. Brand, CAROTE. Size, 17 piece. Handle material, Bakelite with silicone. Optimal storage and easy stacking with the handles off saves up to 70% more space of CAROTE detachable handle pots and pan set. For a fuss-free cleaning, clean up with zero elbow grease thanks to the non-stick ability. As both a cookware set and a dinnerware set, one-time cleaning for all. Multitasking cookware set, removable handle for the ultimate versatility, go from all kinds of stoves to the oven, to the grill, to the fridge, and onto the table in a click. The handle is upgraded for secure when attached during cooking. You won't compromise on quality. Balanced convenience-rich features, rapid and even heat transfer, and non-stick performance is the same as other CAROTE cookware sets. CAROTE provides 12 months warranty from the date of purchase. Please don't hesitate to reach out if any quality problem. You will be guaranteed to get satisfying solution. Set includes a 2 QT saucepan, 3 QT saucepan, 8 foot frying pan, 10 frying pan, 4 QT saute pan, 2 asterisk detachable handle, for PCS utensils set, for asterisk pot protector. Number 4. Aufranc Stainless Steel Pots and Pans Set. 6-piece non-stick kitchen induction cookware set. Works with induction/electric and gas cooktops, non-stick, dishwasher. Material, stainless steel. Color, silver. Brand, Aufranc. Size, 6 PCS. Handle material, stainless steel. Cookware set includes 2 QT pot with lid, 2.6 QT pot with lid, 3.7 QT pot with lid. The practical cookware will suit any kitchen decor while providing professional cooking performance for every meal, large or small. High-quality materials, the pots and pans feature a 3-ply premium quality stainless steel base with a thick aluminum core for fast and even heat distribution and maximum durability. Even heat distribution. Easy clean and scratch resistant. The pot is dishwasher safe and can be cleaned using scorching or steel wool pads since it is scratch resistant, won't scuff or wear down from the use of metal utensils. Seal and flavors utilize the professional grade tempered glass lids to help retain heat and seal healthier, more flavorful meals. The covers with steam vents fit perfectly within the smoothly tapered rims. Lifetime warranty, we are here to offer you only the best quality products designed to make your life easier. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us. Our unparalleled 24/7 live telephone customer support is ready and waiting to assist with anything you need. Number 5. Cuisinart 77-11G Stainless Steel 11-piece set. Chef's Classic Stainless Cookware Collection. Material, aluminum, stainless steel. Finish type, non-stick. Brand, Cuisinart. Color, 11-piece. Capacity, 8 quarts. Product dimensions, 9.8-inch dx 23.4 wx 13.7h. Item weight, 20.7 pounds. Coating description, stainless steel. Is oven safe? Yes. Manufacturer, Cuisinart. Kitchen cookware set. This Cuisinart stainless steel cookware set includes 1.5 QT and 2.5 QT saucepans with glass covers, 3 QT saucepan with glass cover and helper handle, 8 QT stock pot with glass cover, 8-inch skillet, 10 skillet and 7.08 steamer insert. Premium stainless steel pots and pans set with aluminum encapsulated base heats quickly and spreads heat evenly, eliminating hot spots for optimal cooking performance. Cool grip handles. Cast stainless steel cool grip stick handles are contoured for a secure grip and designed to stay cool on the stovetop, while glass lids equipped with wide, easy grip handles fit tight to lock in flavor, texture, and nutrients. Exceptional handling. Riveted stainless steel handles, including side grips and helper handles, are professionally riveted to ensure a lifetime of perfect balance and a drip-free pour every time for your best cooking results. Dishwasher and oven safe. Easy to clean and conveniently dishwasher safe. This stainless steel cookware set is also oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and can be used on stovetop, in oven, or under broiler, providing a range of versatile, professional performance. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.